Hi friends, welcome. In a previously we have seen how we plot a stock fluctuation data in a graph, so that you have seen in our previous. Now this data will also store it in a SQLite database, and parallelly in the part 2 of it we'll see how we'll take out the data and display it in a tabular format. So this will further you can improve it or modify based on our requirement. Before we start, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Let's see the demo and start the script. Visit this page. This URL is there in the description, and you scroll down, read the entire content. This is in two parts actually. So first part will collect the data from the stock market and plot the graphs. So and in that also we'll store it in our data SQLite database. So here you can just read the sections. So how the libraries are imported, global variables, and how we'll set up the SQLite database also. Then fetching the stock price, everything, starting of tracking, and all functions are explained here. And here with the full code is there, you can just copy it and the entire code and use it. This is the first part where the stock price is collected and stored in the database. Now in the part 2, below that, there is a part 2 of it. So where the stock price is again displayed. These two are independent files, so separately you can save it. And the database also, first part it will be created on the same location where you are running the script. So in the part 2 also same thing, it is explained here in different sections of whatever the functions are we are using, and below that here you can copy the entire code for the part 2. Here there are two parts as a part 1, part 2. Let's start with part 1 first. So we'll run this first part. So this will collect the stock price, and the stock market is open. We can see the fluctuation. Let's go to one stock, then you can click the start tracking. So it will collect the data from in the background, and this time it will do two jobs. First it will plot the graph for us. So the graph will be plotted as the price fluctuates, the graph will be coming, and at the same time also this will be storing the particular interval, this 5-second interval you have set. You can change it also at a particular interval. The stock price and the data what we are monitoring will be stored in the SQLite database. So these two things this part does it actually, but whatever stocks you are monitoring right now, that will only be going to the our SQLite database. So this is accordingly the database table builds up. But if I can change it also, if I'll change to some other stock monitoring, that particular data will go to our database. Here in the part 2, we'll see how the data is taken out from the database, SQLite database, and displayed. So here whatever the stocks we have tracked, those only will appear in the drop down. So let me just pick up this one and load the data. So all the data stored in this particularly stock name, price, and at what time, that will be displayed in this tree view. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and this code also we are further expanding and adding more sections to this. And if you have any doubt, ideas, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are adding tutorial, and we are frequently doing that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.